How to use Color hair color treatment in Dusty Purple. When you buy one of these, you get a free pair of gloves. You have to ensure that your hair is clean, free from oil and dirt, a day at least prior to coloring your hair. They also suggested that you must at least soak in your hair with virgin coconut oil a day before applying the hair treatment, just for added protection. So baby, this is my hair color right now. It's in level 8 bleached on top, or yeah, level 6 to 8 on top, and going down it's level 9 to 10. So it's kind of light, so I'm pretty excited how it's gonna turn out. I chose Dusty Purple because, I don't know, nowadays I am really fascinated by the color purple, and I think that it will suit me somehow, and I'm so excited. Let's go! The use of a hair coloring comb is optional, but I'm gonna use it because I want to section or partition my hair properly. Let's go!
I might just hit it through a horse, that's on my element. I like dark skin, love a melanin. Talk, pushing me to talk when I'm stepping in. 30 bottles of the shoe till I'm sentiment. I had to